lovers.
Hi, Foodie.
So, Twitter did it, and we said we would, so here we are. To review the spicy McNuggets from McDonald's.
I'm kind of excited.
So in the spicy nugget game, we all know who is king, or should I say queen. Wendy's has been holding down the spicy nugget game for a long time. So the main difference, and everyone that loves a McNugget knows, is gonna be the crisp.
Yes,
it's not a crunch. It's a crisp. So I'm hoping that's where these really come to shine with good spicy flavor. Now, disclaimer, I always get sweet and sour sauce. Christy also always gets sweet and sour sauce.
I feel like that's the only sauce.
So to be fair, we're gonna go with sweet and sour so we have a bar to measure at. But let's dig into these bad boys here. Here we go. Okay, off the bat, you get some good seasoning. Smell. They're hot and fresh.
Dark.
Okay.
Almost looks kind of reddish, yeah?
Yeah.
It smells good. It smells real good.
Just a regular McNugget, a little more tan.
Yeah. Same shapes. Same shapes.
So to start off,
the round. That weird thing. Where's the boot?
although I don't regularly recommend it, for taste test purposes, we are gonna have one without the sauce.
Just spicy?
A dry nug.
All right. Cheers.
It doesn't hit you right away. It's at the end.
It takes a minute.
No, it's after you swallow. It's at the end.
It wasn't that spicy. I'm gonna say that.
No, it's not spicy. It lingers on the tongue a little bit. Okay, I'm back. No, it wasn't spicy enough to make me cough. Just a weird coincidence. But it lingers on the tongue after you eat it.
Yeah. It's got that warm heat.
So it builds a little after.
Okay, yeah. What you would imagine on a spicy nugget.
Alright. I'm gonna go for the full thing.
With the sweet and sour sauce.
Let's see where we at. Oh God. It reminds you of home, but it's something a little extra there.
It's pretty much like the chicken nugget, but spicy. I don't know what I was thinking when I was
It's
like
it's
spicy
just
nuggets.
more well seasoned. It's not like it's not spicy till the end.
Right.
But
Still got
with the
that
sauce,
crisp
see,
flavor.
that's what you love about a McNugget though, is the crisp. It's a different thing. It's not a crunch. It's not grainy.
To be honest, I didn't know how well it would sit with like the sweet and sour sauce.
I like it.
Oh. Like I thought it wasn't gonna be as good as the regular nugget, but not bad.
I'm with it. So the question is, would you get these over the regular?
Okay. I feel like the regular nuggets and the spicy nuggets are like two types of people, or two moods. You know, sometimes you just want that chicken nugget with the sweet and sour, but then it's like, you know, when you're feeling like you're having a little fun, or you're feeling like a little spice in your life, like this would be it. I don't know if I would necessarily choose it over the regular, but it's close. It's close. Like if you told me, hey babe, you want some spicy nuggets,
personally for me, I would get the regular nuggets more often than I would get these.
Oh, whoa.
Maybe it's just because I love the nostalgia of a McDonald's McNugget and I like that flavor, that taste.
Yeah.
But this is good. It's exciting, it's new. Now with that said, would you have this spicy nugget or Wendy's spicy nugget?
You know, oh man, that was hard. I think I might team back to the Wendy's nuggets.
For the
spicy. And yes, they don't have that crisp, but the flavor and the texture of Wendy's spicy nuggets, I don't know. You could we've definitely smacked over 30 of those before.
Oh yeah.
You know, and yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I could do that with this.
Now,
how about you?
I'm still gonna give the crown to the most deserving queen, Wendy's. Because they did it first, they did it well,
Very true.
and they still do it well now. And I'm glad they're back. McDonald's is trying, and it's not failing. But if I had to get a spicy nugget, I'm definitely going to Wendy's.
Yeah.
That's my final decision. Pro tip, if you don't know, or if your Wendy's does not have it displayed, there is a thing called a party pack.
For
$10, you get 50 nuggets. They don't advertise it, but some of them I've seen on the window. I went up, asked for a party pack. This dude opened a whole new bag of chicken nuggets, dumped it in the fryer, and then came back and said, okay, let me ring you up now while those cook. So if you don't know, 50 for $10, nuggets at Wendy's, called the party pack. So in conclusion, McDonald's spicy chicken nuggets, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give you an 8.5.
oh, 8.5.
Only because the flavor comes after I eat the nuggets.
Yeah, dogs.
So in conclusion, McDonald's spicy McNuggets, I'm gonna give you 8.5. Cause you're good. And I would recommend it. And I will buy you again. Those are the important things. Didn't blow my mind, but I would definitely buy them again.
For me, I would go with an 8. It was good. It was a great first experience. It did live up to the expectation of what I would imagine a spicy McNugget would be. But I don't, yeah, an 8. Because I still feel like it's a little bit drier than the regular nugget. Just a little bit. Just a little.
See,
But
that is true. It comes as advertised. There's no surprises. Like if somebody told you there's a spicy McNugget, this is exactly what you would expect to get.
yeah.
Has all the good qualities of a McNugget, but spicy.
Well, for all you spicy lovers out there.
So there you have it, Foodie fam. Twitter did it. We reviewed it. Spicy McNuggets. Until next time, DateAFoodie.
It could change your life.